Hey guys, Mike from Tech Reviews here, and today we take a look at and unbox the ARTECK HB030B Universal Slim Portable Wireless Keyboard. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I do apologize about the weird intro, but that is the name of the keyboard, the HB030B Universal Backlit Bluetooth keyboard. So again, the reason why I ordered this is because I'm doing a mini series on using my Motorola Think device as kind of like a, I guess maybe something similar to like a a phone version of a Chromebook. But in this case, I needed some Bluetooth accessories, so I decided to order the cheapest Bluetooth items I could find. Right, in this case, one of them being this mouse, which I made another video on. You can check that video out. So let's go ahead and take a look at this little Bluetooth keyboard. Let's take a look at the back here. It says light, slim, portable, 7-color backlit, and universal. So these things have gotten a lot better since Bluetooth keyboards from a few years ago. And the reason why I got it again is because, I wanted to get a keyboard that is going to be all Bluetooth. So this one's just a black version keyboard. As you can see here, nothing really fancy to scoff at, right? I'm hoping that the setup process is pretty easy. I'll go ahead and pull this out here. But as you can see here, the backlight does change color. I don't know if it's a consistent changing color like the little mouse that I got. Bad or good? Is it good or bad, guys? So anyways, whoa, okay, pretty big amount of instructions here, but for the most part I just want to be able to sync this up, so hopefully we can figure that out without having to read the instructions. Charging cable inside, I would say probably just a normal micro USB cable. So yeah, we're kind of going super cheap here. I'm surprised Amazon or whoever sells this stuff honestly is still using USB Type-C, but I mean, I guess that's just it's a China, I feel like it's a China thing. Obviously nothing against China or anything like that, but USB-C is the way to go in 2024. Let's go ahead and put this aside here, and let's go ahead and get this back up over here. So again, I do have the Amazon stuff up here just to kind of read to you what's going on here. So again, this little Bluetooth keyboard is $18.99. So it's under $20. So again, I'm gonna link all of this stuff to you guys, just in case you guys want to get something like this for yourself, right? Let's say you need a little Bluetooth keyboard yourself. I'm not sure why it comes with 3M tape over here. You can even see here 3M. I'm gonna put that aside for now though, and let's see if we can, there we go, let's see if we can get this more on the actual keyboard itself. So again, a very thin keyboard, something that you would probably see in like a folio case with something probably similar to like I said, like a an iPad, or just again another tablet basically, right? But this isn't going to be the case. The tablet that we're going to use right here is this, right? So let me get this turned on, and let me go ahead and get the Bluetoothing pairing ready here. So my Bluetooth mouse is there, but now I gotta set something up for this. So let's go ahead and put this down for now. Let's just see if we can figure this out. So it says power, so let's see if it has any juice or not. I'm not sure if it does or not. I might have to plug this in for a few minutes, because it's not. Is it okay? There you go. It just lights up. There you go. Okay, so it did light up. You guys saw that, right? So the power button is just a left and a right type deal, I guess. So let's go to pair new device, and let's just go ahead and let's see if we can pair. So I press the pairing button. So your power button is up here. You just slide it left and right, and your pairing button is right there. So I want to see if it picks it up. So over here, you can see on the screen that it did pick up the keyboard Bluetooth 5.1. Let's go ahead and pair it. So now I have a manual keyboard. So this is so crazy, guys. So let's see. Again, I want to see if I can go to screen lock without having to type anything here. Screen lock, or not, screen orientation. Let's see, screen lock privacy. Hold on, screen orientation. I'm just gonna put screen. Okay, so I do know the keyboard's working, which is pretty crazy, right? And it is changing colors. Let me see if I can turn off one of these lights over here just so you guys can kind of see here, just so you can kind of see what's going on in the background here. Again, you know, not that I have so many lights on over here, but you can see here that there is some sort of light. You know, I'm just trying to, let's see, I can't use this. I'm just gonna type out orientation, auto rotate. So there we go. That's what I was looking for. Auto rotate display. So display refresh rate. I'm gonna turn it on and off. There you go. So let's see if it does this or not. I'm not sure if it's gonna do it or not. So let's see if we can. There you go. That's exactly what I wanted here. So the reason I wanted to do this, guys, is because, like I said, I wanted to have a wireless keyboard and mouse combo. So now that you can see my mouse is working with the keyboard, this is crazy. You know, back here, obviously. You know, again, I'm gonna try to get a monitor connected to this. I already have the wire. I just need to, you know, set up my monitor in a spot that'll be good to film on, etc. like that. Let's go ahead and rotate this up just a little bit for you guys. But yeah, keyboard is here, right? So like, let's go to system update. Right, and again, Google Play system update. Let's see if there's a system update. It says looks good. Check for updates. That's crazy. Funny, guys. But you know, again, oh, there is a Google Play system update. Okay, let's go ahead and install. All right. I mean, I have it connected to that. So while it's doing that, let's just take a look at the keyboard itself. Right. So, you know, it does have that backlit keyboard here. You know, again, I can actually control the volume on here from up and down. I can. There should be a silence button somewhere also, right? Silence on and off, and then up and down. Wow. Okay, so there we go. So now it says restart to update. I'll do that a little bit later. So just because. But yeah, let's see if X rotates correctly, right? So again, shout out to Tito, right? You know, again, you're not gonna get this screen that you get with something like I guess like a web browser or something like that. But you know, again, you can kind of see here that, you know, I am on Twitter. Shout out to Samantha Irvin. It is Hump Wednesday or Hump Tuesday. Tito posting earlier also, crazy. Let's go ahead and make a tweet while we're making this video, guys, here. So, typing this with a physical keyboard on my, well, you know what? Let's hashtag it. Cancel. Okay, I don't know why it does that. Let's delete. Hold on. There you go. There we go. At Motorola hashtag think phone. We'll just select that. Pretty crazy. Oh my gosh. And you know, typing this hashtag typing those with a physical keyboard on my Motorola hashtag Bluetooth. Sorry guys, this is just so hilarious. You know, I guess if people want to go old school and they get tired of using their, you know, their mouse, etc. like that, you know, they can technically jump from that to a Bluetooth keyboard. So let's go back to 1X here. Let's zoom out just a little bit. There you go. There you go. Okay, so Bluetooth, and I'm gonna hashtag. Let's see if this brand ARTECK has an actual. I don't think it does. I would see it already. So let's just backspace this here. Cancel. All right, I'm just gonna put hashtag ARTECK because. Just cause. Delete. Okay, that's interesting. Like, I just want to delete, guys. I just want to delete. That is so weird, by the way. Can I delete the at? There you go. Okay, sorry about this, guys. Kind of trying to get used to this over here. But, you know, you can see here that I'm just going to post that on Twitter, you know, again. Don't forget to follow me at BTech_reviews, BT_reviews at 549 followers, by the way. It varies every now and then, right? But for the most part, guys, you know, I think this is pretty interesting. I think this is going to be useful for people that actually, you know, probably do want to do this, right? Let's go ahead and get on Chrome here. Let's go to gsmarena.com. So again, this is definitely going to look better with, you know, with a bigger screen. So again, I'm just testing this out because I want to know the functionality of someone using this and connecting it to a Bluetooth keyboard and a phone, right? But I can totally see it now. Definitely hilarious. Configure physical keyboard, tap to configure language. I'm gonna say it's English. Physical keyboard, default to use on-screen keyboard. Keep it on screen while physical keyboard is active. So you can actually have the on-screen keyboard when this is turned on, but you know, again, once you turn it off, I'm sure that the physical keyboard actually turns off. Or I'm sorry, the in-screen keyboard turns back on. So, and the only thing that's kind of glitchy is the mouse, right? If you have the mouse on also, it will turn on as well. So let's go ahead and turn this back on, and let's see if I click something here. What's gonna happen? But there you go. There's the physical keyboard right there. So or let's just go back here really quick. So if I want to type something out, so the keyboard is still going to show up. So I kind of like that, actually. I like that just because, you know, I like to have a visual, but I also want to use that just in case. So yeah, let's type out Poetic Cases. Shout out to Poetic, right, for sending me a few cases recently. But guys, you know, this is just I really don't know what, you know, I don't know what, I guess a lot of this is going to be for someone that, you know, really needs a physical keyboard. I can tell you that much. The buttons feel pretty good. The backlight does turn off after a delay. So if you're using it, it'll turn on from what I'm seeing here. But for the most part, and it does change colors. It changes from like one color to the other. Really not bad. So guys, you know, this is just, you know, I'm going to go ahead and link this in the description down below so y'all can check out also, just because, you know, I definitely want you guys to, you know, get the cheap deals. Again, it's really thin also. Like, I mean, it's a really thin keyboard. As you can see there is the power connector right here. From what I see here, let me go ahead and just read a few specs on this before we close out today. But, you know, it has 7 unique backlight colors, 2 brightness levels, which I haven't figured out the brightness levels on here just yet. Let me see. Okay, those are my emojis. No thank you. Which I think I will get rid of that keyboard setting eventually, just because I kind of don't like it, but it is what it is. Let's go ahead and go back here really quick. Let's see, let's go to phonearena.com. But for the most part, you know, it does have a pretty broad compatibility. Again, oh, okay, I just knocked my tripod. I love it when I do that, by the way. You know, you can connect it to things like the iPad. No, don't send me messages, GSM Arena or phonearena.com. But again, you can connect this to things like your iPad, iOS, Samsung Galaxy Tab. It even says Google Nexus, even though Nexus doesn't make devices anymore. I guess you would connect it to a Pixel Tab. iPad mini, Android tablets like Samsung. You can even connect it to a Windows and Mac compatible, as long as they have Bluetooth, basically, right? So again, 6-month battery life, rechargeable, lithium with a high capacity that lasts for 6 months. So 6 months between charges, guys, okay, based on 2 hours of nonstop use per day at backlit off. So you have to have the light off. Obviously, I don't think this is going to last for 6 months if you have the light on. So for realistically, I would probably say, you know, you would have to charge this probably once a week if you decide to keep the you know, the light on, etc., like that, which I don't see a problem with that being on. Look at that. You can see here that I'm scrolling with the up and down, and of course the mouse as well. I can scroll with the mouse as well. Ultra thin and lightweight, of course. You know, package contents, it comes with just the keyboard itself and the charging cable. That's basically it. You're gonna have to have a separate power brick or something if you want to use that. And it says there's a 24-month warranty on this. So okay, I'm gonna kind of, you know, keep their word to that. I don't know if I'm gonna, this might just end up in the you know, tech pile that I don't end up using, but I think it's pretty cool regardless. I might connect it to my TV or something once in a while just to kind of play around with it, you know, maybe you know, just, I don't know, just for fun, guys. But anyways, guys, Mike from BTech Review signing off. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, guys. Again, if you guys are interested in this little backlit keyboard, I will go ahead and post the link down below. Again, right now it's $18.99, marked down from $29.99 on Amazon. So again, if you need something like this, take advantage. Very easy to sync up. You know, you just turn it on and then you just sync it up with that. Very, very thin and light. You know, literally you can, if you can just throw this in your backpack or small bag. You know, I mean, literally if you're a female, like this will fit in your purse, honestly. If you have a small little purse, you know, it doesn't roll up or fold or anything like that, but it's just a very small thing. You can literally put it in between like a book as well, you know, and pretty interesting, guys. Pretty interesting is all I'm gonna say. So again, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and sign off here. Smash that like button if you guys like the video, and we'll see you guys next time.